So hello guys, it's your Akahilz. You guys are welcome. We're live on CoinMarketCap's blog. So Jimmy Fallon buys bought Ape NFT. The article was done by Connor Sefton. I'm going to be reviewing this article. Table of contents, a big D. So Jimmy Fallon has bought his very first NFT. The popular talk show host revealed is now the proud owner of a bought Ape NFT. So he was speaking to people, the digital artists who made tens of millions of dollars by selling NFTs. So Fallon said that he used MoonPay to complete the transaction, describing it as paper but not for crypto. So a screenshot on Twitter indicates that he is the proud owner of Bored Ape 599, one of the 10,000 in existence. It has a number of rare attributes, including Cream 4, a sea captain's sunglasses, and a navy striped t-shirt. So records from OpenSea show that the NFT last changed hands for 46.6 ETH, worth about $217,000 as of the time of writing. So we also have CoinMarketCap's podcast here, which you can check out, guys. It's available on Apple Podcast and Spotify, Google Podcast, and more. Say Big D, say Jimmy Fallon command millions of viewers, a night for the Tonight Show, and it's highly likely that this interview with people has introduced NFTs to a brand new audience. So the star has more than 51 million followers on Twitter, and a post featuring his bored ape has been tweeted more than 10,000 times. So crucially, it's now his avatar too. So a number of his followers shared tongue-in cheek images messages underneath, including a screenshot of the bored ape and writing, Jimmy, delete this right now. This isn't funny. There's my property. As you see here, I've posted it. You've stolen this. The blockchain will prove it. So others took it upon themselves to save the picture and proudly proclaim they had stolen the NFT from Fallon. But as this Twitter user pointed out, this is kind of missing the point. It's not the same thing at all, like taking a photo of Da Vinci drawing and having it framed so you can prove ownership and authenticity of NFTs forever. So the artists deserve to make money off their work. No one can steal and sell their art anymore with NFTs. So, guys, I think that's the good thing about NFTs. So, if you find this update helpful, beneficial, so you want to let us know in the comment section. Shabak keys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in our future upload, guys, and peace out.